You want to play me hard?
Phrasing.
You know I do.
Well, then you better nut up.
Phrasing.
Because I've swallowed just about as much as I can take from you.
Hey, phrasing.
Hello and welcome back to Sean47. Today I'm sat at Mrs. 47's sewing table. Just gonna do a quick video, so I figured there was no point in getting everything all set up and putting up the backdrop and moving all this stuff off the table. So I'm just gonna sit here. Got 3 pieces of mail I want to open, and it's not Mail Monday, but I'm going to call this an unboxing.
What's in the box?
Because these are 3 eBay purchases. So this one arrived split open at the end. Luckily it arrived safely by the looks of it. And the weight of it, it seems like everything's still there. But I'll open this one up. Or pull it open. Pull it out, I guess. Not even open it. It's already open. No personal, no identifiable information. Okay. That's an interesting way to package it. It's 2 coins and flips, and I guess for mailing. Put them into a banknote holder. Banknote holder, which actually has a sticker on it, identifying it as a AU uncirculated Canadian $1 bill from 1954. That's funny. And price tag of $5.50. That's not actually a bad price. I should check this seller's other listings. Maybe I can pick one of those up. Okay. Let's get these out of here. Might save that banknote protector. So this is 2 World War II era German coins. Von Hindenburg. Let's see. 1938 and a 1939. These are both 2 Reichmark. And let me see. Mint mark on them. F and A. Yeah. So the 39 is A. 1939A. And 1938F. And the next piece I'm going to open, also an eBay purchase. All 3 of these are eBay purchases. So this is what I'm doing today. I'm opening eBay purchases. This one, I believe I know what this is. If this is what I think it is, this does not belong to me, or won't for long. I believe this is the grand prize for my Northern Lights giveaway. It is. Okay. And it's well packaged. Wow. Taped it to some cardboard in here. Looks like it's under plastic too. Okay. There we go. I should save this packaging for when I mail it to the winner. The person It's a Ziploc freezer bag that they've cut the zipper off of. That's funny. It's a good idea, actually. Plastic for packaging. Okay. Now here it is. My Canada, My Inspiration 2017 coin collection. Canada 150. And here you go. You can see the obverse of the coins. And this is, oh, okay, it opens like that. All right, there we go. And there's the reverse. With dime, loonie, nickel, colorized quarter, and the glow-in-the-dark colorized toonie. This is all still in the original plastic from the mint. I mean, it's just a little sticky tab. You could fold it open and take it out, and I have no way of knowing whether someone's done that, but it doesn't look like it's been removed. It looks like it's still all original in here. Very nice. If you haven't entered that Northern Lights giveaway yet, get on it. I'll be picking the winners on the 28th. So get entered before then. Sit here. Looks good there. Okay, and this last one. This one is the main reason I'm opening these right now instead of waiting till the kids are home. Liam and Charlie are at their Nana's today. And I know if they were home helping out with this video, they would definitely try to steal this. And I'm not having that. I am having this. I'm not having them steal it. I've been looking forward to this one. Now, not all that long ago, before I decided to do this Northern Lights giveaway and bought these prizes. Oh, it's like the seller knows me. It's from a Coke case. I decided to do this Northern Lights giveaway that I'm doing after a discussion with Johnny about how she really liked the Northern Lights toonie. And then I went on eBay and I looked it up and found some and bought a few of them and decided to make that my next giveaway. Well, among the ones I bought, and I'm seeing this for the first time too, other than in pictures, NGC PF69 Ultra Cameo glow-in-the-dark toonie. Check that out. You want to see a glow-in-the-dark toonie? You want to see an Ultra Cameo proof glow-in-the-dark toonie? Look at the luster. Oh, it's hard to show in the slab. The slab is reflecting the light, but that is a good looking toonie. And the info on the slab says silver dollar proof set. So obviously this was removed from a proof set. 2017 Canada $2 Our Home and Native Land Glow in the Dark First Releases PF69 Ultra Cameo. Very nice. And there's the year on the back, 1867 to 2017, because it's part of the Canada 150. I know nobody particularly likes to look at the Queen, but check out the Ultra Cameo. That is a proof. Very shiny. It's like the nickel part of it is so reflective. It almost looks black on the camera. And I don't know if you can see the angle. It almost makes the coin look thicker than it is. So this is not going in the giveaway. This is going in my collection and staying there. So this is going in the giveaway. These are going in my collection. This is my lucky turtle. He's always here. And thought I'd finish up the video with a request. Well, I'm not making a request. With fulfilling a request. Well, someone asked me the other day, and actually I've mentioned Johnny. I think it might have been Johnny that was asking. I can't remember now for sure. But I think it was Johnny asked about coin rings. And I mentioned my $50 Canada 50-cent piece coin ring. And she asked if I could show it in a video. So here it is. Let's see if I can get some focus on it. Here we go. As you can see, 50 cents inside. Gradia Regina, or however you pronounce that. I don't speak Latin. See, it's Elizabeth II. And it is made. Oh, come on, focus. 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 There we go. You can see it's made from a 1958 $50. $50 as the Americans call them. Canada call it a 50-cent piece. There you go. And you can see this in most of my videos. I'm always wearing it on my right ring finger. The ring on my left hand here I bought from Wish for $3 like 8 years ago, thinking oh, it'll turn my finger green or it'll wear out and break and be thrown away, but you know, I can wear it for a few weeks or a month or something till that happens. No, I've been wearing it for years and years and years. It used to be a very, very bright blue. It's the color is starting to wear off now, but even for many years the color didn't wear off it. Here, you can see the inside, it's a lot brighter. The whole thing used to be that bright blue. Now the outside's kind of dull and scratched, but I believe it's as the blue is wearing off, I'm starting to see a bit of a orange color in there, so I think it's just copper, but it's lasted a lot longer than I thought it would have. I'm still wearing it. Cheap $3 ring. It was $3 shipped. Like, I think it was $1 for shipping and $2 for the ring, if I remember it right. But yeah, eventually I'll get another silver ring and replace this cheap Wish one with a proper silver one. I'm thinking I'd like to do a Canadian maple ring. So I might be looking to JT coin rings or possibly Rocky Mountain Bear to make me a maple leaf ring. Until then, I'll just keep wearing this cheap Wish one. Alright, thanks for watching. you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And don't worry, the kids will be back for the next video. I know you guys like that. Peace out.